Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to be here today. My name is Roma and I've been a consultant for a very, very long time with Mary Kay. This year is kind of fun, and today I'm super excited about this makeup look that we're going to do because we are doing looks based on the flower of the month. So for the month of August, the flower this month is the poppy, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite flowers. I love the artwork that you can get with poppies in it now. But I had a lot of fun putting this makeup look together. So this is what it looks like, and you'll probably notice if you're familiar with Mary Kay Cosmetics at all, that this is a cheek color, not an eye color, but we are going to use it as an eye color today. So what we're going to do is, let's get started. We're going to use our all over eyeshadow brush, which is nice and full. We're going to use Crystalline at the top. This is a great color for highlighting, but we're going to use this on the top part of our lid. So everything from the crease up to the eyebrow in the inner corner. If you've watched some of my other tutorials, you know that that adds some bright-eyedness, which makes you look younger, which everybody wants, right? Well, unless you're 14, then you usually want to look older. But for the rest of us, this is where we want it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this cheek color. This is Hot Coral, and we are going to put it on the lower part of our lid, just like that. Love this. When we put pinks and reds next to our eye, though, we do want to ground that. So we are going to use a black liner. But before we go there, let's use our crease brush, and trying to show it to you there with the angle, and we're going to use Smoky Quartz. We're going to put this up in the corner, outer corner. So what I like to do is we'll just press it along the outside, just like a brush width along the outer corner. And then we will take our big fluffy blending brush and just blend that in. So that's just gonna add some depth along the side. Can blend in the crease as well. We don't want any huge lines showing. Then we are going to ground this with black. So we'll start with our black liner, black liquid liner, just along the top line. Especially, you kind of probably know who you are, but some people and some skin tones, when you wear the pink or red next to your eye, it actually makes you look like you're sick. And that is the last thing we want after COVID. So we're going to ground it with a nice black liner, and then we'll actually take our liner brush, which has a nice sharp point, and our Onyx, which is our black shadow, and we're just going to smudge this line a little bit. Just like that. This is always a great trick too if you're pretty sloppy with your eyeliner. If you smudge it with our eyeliner brush, it all kind of comes together, right? We like that when it all comes together. And then we'll use some mascara. We're going to go with our Lash Love mascara. Comes in black, which is perfect. That will pull this look together. You could go a little bit, I went pretty subtle on the hot coral on my lids, but you could go a little bit louder with that if you want. Just put another layer on. Or press a little bit harder with your brush. Then we're going to soften it with the cheeks a little bit. We're going to use Juicy Peach with our big fat cheek brush. It's got that rounded edge just along the apples of our cheeks and along the cheekbones. And I like to just kind of brush it into the hairline as well so it doesn't look like it's an abrupt stop. Perfect. So we've got a little bit of color on our cheeks, and of course we are going to top this look off with Poppy Please, which is an amazing lipstick. It is super bright. It is my favorite lipstick actually for doing online things. So I'm going to use our lip brush because it has some pop to it. It's also a great color for midsummer or hot weather. Or a pinup photo shoot. Because it is bright and loud. So there you have our Poppy inspired makeup look for August. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you had fun and I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look. We will see you next month.